Hi everyone, how are my little chatterbugs? So I hope you guys had a fun-filled weekend. I know I did. Saturday night we went out to this place in Portsmouth, Virginia called G-Force. And we did go-karting and we did paintball, which I've never done paintball before, but I heard it hurt really bad. Well, we did the go-karting first and I came in second place and Jose came in second place with his team also. These go-karts wore me out. They made you wear a neck brace and a helmet, and then you're going around these laps and the steering's like really hard, and by the time you're done my like whole left arm was just killing me. Paintballing was something else. I could only fit into a 3X. That's the biggest size they had. I had to have someone help me zip it up because I couldn't zip it up. I was too fat for this fucking suit. So then finally we get the suit on and I'm like, if a paintball hits me, it's really gonna hurt because this suit was like skin tight on me. I looked like a fat Oompa Loompa. I really did. So we go in as two teams into the paintball arena, and me and this other girl named Lucy, we hid behind this big air inflatable thingy, and I said, I got your back if you got my back. So we're shooting each other, and we're not shooting each other, but shooting for each other, so we were watching each other's back, and I got hit multiple times in the left thigh, once in the back. That shit hurts really bad. So we all ended the game, and then we went out to eat afterwards to this Mexican restaurant called La Parrilla, and they had really good carnitas. It was, if you don't know what carnitas are, they're this Mexican pork, and it's very tender, and I love pork. It's like my favorite meat. So then we went there, and then afterwards we came home, and that was our fun-filled weekend. I did post a lot of pictures on Facebook about it. It was really fun. We get together with a group of friends once a month out here, and next month is mine and Jose's month to choose what the group does, and we've chose to go on a drag cruise. It's a 2.5-hour cruise up and down the Elizabeth River, and the whole time they're putting on drag shows on it's like a luxury yacht. Look it up. It's called the Spirit of Norfolk. It's really pretty. So that's what we're doing next month. And I'll keep you filled in. I'm sure I'm going to have pictures for you and everything. I'm sorry I didn't post a Q&A video last night, but I only had a couple of questions, and I thought, well, you know, I'll just combine them with Monday night's video. I have a couple of people that sent in questions. Well, the first question comes from Kenny Rosa Smith. And he wants to know, where does the cheese go on a cheeseburger? Does it go on top of the patty or below the patty? I like mine on top of the patty, and sometimes I even like to put like my tomato and onion on the meat and then lay the cheese over it because then it keeps everything together. So I would say personally on top of the meat. Second person that sent in a question was Jill Bristol Hartley, and she wants to know, do you believe in love? Do you believe in love at first sight? And do you believe in destiny? Jill, I believe in all three. I do believe in love. I do believe that it is possible to meet your one and truly only at first sight. And I think we live our lives every day for destiny. I think that's what we're made for. So, yes, to all three. So that's all for tonight. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. That's it for tonight. Bye.